Today I'm unboxing something special for me. Let's check it out. That's it, my own merch. Let's go through what I've ordered. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today I'm going through as I said, something special to me. I've actually got my own merch now, which is on my website. So this is a similar package that you should be receiving. I'm going to tear it apart rather than cutting it like I normally do. This is a slip that I've got which has my personal information, so I'm not going to be putting it in there. So it basically says when it's been, like, the package slip, and like it's got like my logo and stuff like that on it. But yeah, I'm going to put that to a side. But let's have a look at what I've got for myself, lol. I'm actually really excited because I like wearing my own stuff. But so I got myself a jacket. This is a hoodie. This is my jacket with my logo and stuff, and a t-shirt. So we'll unbox the hoodie first, because I'd like to see that. I think I'll leave that there for now. Let's see. Okay. Jbinzala. Very nice. Extra large. Put that package away. Nice. So just want to show you there. Let's break free. Oh. Okay, and the arm. I've designed all of this. I've designed all the clothing on my website. So Jbinzala on the left arm. All my designs basically have it on the left. Let's break free at the front, and the back just has Jbinzala on the top. That's very nice. I love it. I actually love it. I'll be honest. So, as you already know, I sell my LUTs, I sell my checklists and stuff, and like production tools. I've got my own merch as well, which is all like crypto related and stuff that I think is pretty funny, and everything. I've designed everything myself, by the way. You can order it all on my website. Let's begin with me grabbing the other two items, right? So obviously this is a hoodie, as I was saying. The quality is actually pretty good. I'm speaking honestly here, right? If I was a customer, the quality is nice. Oh, I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I was trying to see like what the quality is gonna be like, because obviously I'm testing my own stuff out as well, and I think this will last a while. Obviously, one thing to note, because I got targeted with this. I purchased all of this, and I live in the UK, right? By the way, I ship worldwide. There's free shipping for my website. I got charged custom charges, lol. So do be careful of that when if you guys do order and stuff. But yeah, I got charged with custom charges. I had to pay that. That was pretty expensive in my opinion. But at the end of the day, I love my own merch, lol. Anyways, so as I said, I've got a hoodie here, and let's do the unboxing of the t-shirt now. This is a pretty simple t-shirt that I got. Let's see. Actually, let me read what this is. Okay, Tuesday 20th May. So it's got the XL size, what it is, it's Jbinzala, my own merch and stuff. Okay, this seems very... Ooh. The quality of this seems really nice. It looks very stretchy. I think this is the premium men's t-shirt. Okay. There's nothing here. So on quite a few of my products, I've even put my like branding and stuff on the inner part where you would have the washer tag and stuff. Okay, XL, obviously I'm a XL. So Jbinzala, this is actually embroidered. This is embroidered. I don't think I put anything on the back here. No. So this is like literally a clean look t-shirt that's for me to wear, and obviously anybody else that want to purchase this. It's very stretchy. I like it. The quality is good. I'm happy with the quality. That's one major thing that I was trying to think of and look at, quality, and I'm happy with the way this has already come out, which is really, really good. Let's look at the last item. So the last item, right? It's a jacket. It's one of the jackets I have on my website. Basically, I don't actually have any good jacket, so I wanted to replace it and wear this all the time. And funnily enough, I actually mention my YouTube channel to everybody that I meet, lol. So this is called a windbreaker jacket. Okay, so this is very, very light, just so you're all aware. Jbinzala, again, it's embroidered on the back as well. Let's break free. It's all embroidered. Okay. I just want to let you all know this is very, very thin. Okay, very, very thin. To the extent, can you see? Even this is coming from the back. The Let's Break Free, but this is something which you would actually wear. I would even say in summertime, when you just want to wear a jacket and stuff. I'm that type of guy that wears jackets in summer, lol. But it's very, very thin. It's just something that I'd wear on top of my clothing because I like to, like, I don't know. I'm just odd like that. But as you can see, it's a very, very thin jacket. It's I wouldn't say this is actually, ooh, the stuff like this. Okay, you can obviously take that off. But I wouldn't say this is something that is to keep you warm, just so you're aware. It's a windbreaker. It's just so when the wind doesn't hit you that hard. It's cuffed there. I'm happy. I won't lie. I'm very, very happy. I'm really happy with this. Look at that. Let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. Lol. Okay. Anyways, do check my website out, and yeah, I've got my own merch, as I've said, and my LUTs, my checklists. I do add new things onto my website, so do keep track of it. If you have any other requests as well for like designs and stuff of what you want to see, like everything's like crypto related. I'm probably going to put more crypto related stuff out, but I think I've got quite a few products already that I'm selling. So anyways, if you did enjoy this video, pop a thumbs up. If you like my merch, pop a thumbs up. Tell me if you want any new type of designs. I don't know, maybe you're looking for Solana or I don't know, Ethereum like based clothing and stuff. If you are, comment down below any suggestion. I'd like to see it, read it, get inspiration, get new ideas. But yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. As you can probably already know, I upload videos regarding tech, unboxings, crypto, and a lot more. Anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.